I'm back to go over the third method called the Excel function, and this is gonna be my favorite method. You saw how long the formula method was. I actually like the iteration a lot because it showed every month, okay? But Excel function will just find the value for month 18, okay, or month 19, or month 20, the one that you enter. So I'll show you how to do this. I want to figure out how much money I will have after 18 months of investment. This is called a future value function, okay? What's the future value of my investment 18 months later? So start by typing on equal sign, and I think I'll come back and show you that I'm gonna add a negative sign later, but type in FV, stand for future value. When you do that, the first function will pop up as FB, click on it. And they're gonna ask you to enter a series of input. The first thing they will ask you is the rate. What's the rate? Well, the rate was APR, but listen, we are talking about monthly compounding. So make sure to divide that rate of 4.5% or D5 by D6. Okay, so that's what you're gonna have to enter first. Equal sign FV parenthesis D5 divided by D6. That's gonna be the rate. That's gonna be the monthly rate. Put a comma. Next thing they're asking you to enter is N per, and that's the number of compounding period in this investment. If you are thinking about this, we are trying to figure out the amount that we have after 18 months, right? And this is monthly compounding. So how many months are in 18-month period? That's just going to be 18, right? So the second input will just be 18. After putting 18, put a comma, okay? Now the next amount is payment. Ooh, how much money are we putting in every month? You see the next amount is PMT. Go up and click on that cell that has the payment amount, D4, okay? Ta-da, this is what we have so far. We're almost done. Put a comma. What about the present value of this investment? Present value means how much money are we putting in today? They're asking for the principal. So go back up and click on the cell that has the principal, which is D3, and come back down, and that's all you have to do, okay? Oh, I have to tell you one more thing. If you go ahead and close the parenthesis and enter now, you will see the number $999.48, but this is going to show up in a red color, showing you that this is a negative amount. So to fix that, I have a quick solution. Hit enter. It's going to show up as 999.48, but with the red font or a minus sign. To fix that, because we're not going to have negative $999.48. Okay, we're going to have a positive amount of that. So to fix that real quick, in between the equal sign and FB, just type in a negative sign there, okay? Right after the equal sign, that's where you're going to have to type in to fix that issue, okay? But that's all you have to do. You will get $999.48. So I will go ahead and copy this formula and put it down here so that this shows up. Okay, guys, let's check something. Okay, let's check something. I'm gonna go back to my original numbers, which I think I forgot. Or I better go back into that sign-up sheet. Number for this activity, where am I? All right, I did sign up for a line. I signed up for line 16. So I'm going to enter my numbers here and see if all three methods gives me the same answer. Okay, so you should check that too. Because when you submit it, I want you to change your numbers to the numbers from the line that you signed up. Okay, so let's see. I use line 16. So if I go here and change the principal to $355, payment amount to $51, and APR to $62, 6.2%. Okay, and I'm going to go down and see if three method is giving me the same answer. Okay, first of all, method 1 gave me $1348.95. Method number 2 gave me $1348.95. Beautiful, isn't it? Method number 3 also gave me, scroll down, $1348.95. So that's right. So let's see who signed up for what line. Okay, maybe the first person. Let's say that you're Lindsay. Miss Lindsay should enter her numbers. So let's see. If I go and type in Lindsay's number, Lindsay's line number 1, 425, 6.5, and payment of 91. Lindsay's number better be 2184.04, 2184.04, and 2184.04. Let me just check one more person. Let's check Nicholas's number. Let's say Nicholas is doing his project, who signed up for line 8. His principal was 200, payment was 61, and APR was 3.9. If I'm using Nicholas's line number 8, Nicholas should have 1340.89, 1340.89, and 1340.89. So when you can see that all your three methods gives you the consistent answer, then you know that you set up this spreadsheet very well. Okay, so that's it for method number 3. Just reviewing the reflection questions that you're gonna be typing up for me to read. The first question is asking, what would be another way to calculate the total interest rather than merely using sum function? This is very, very similar to the first reflection question for activity 3. You know how to do it. You can subtract it, right? You can subtract it. We should, this may be a little bit different. I should go and think about this a little bit more, okay, before I just say, oh, this is the same. But you guys try it. I really want you to try the reflections on your own, because that's probably the math and then reflecting on your experience. The reason I'm creating these videos is because some of us are new to Excel, right? So it helps to see someone doing these Excel, like using the Excel functions or all these cell referencing. But definitely try reflection question 1, 2, 3, 4 on your own, or number 5. But do reach out to me. I'll always check my email if you guys need me. But that's probably good for activity 4 to get you started. But as you're wrapping up this activity for your submission, tell me if you want me to explain anything else on this activity, okay?